Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use the TechPP Luma Reader extension on both desktop and mobile. Let's begin with the desktop installation. First, open Google Chrome or another supported Chromium based browser. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. Select Extensions and then tap Manage Extensions. From here, enable developer mode if it is not already turned on. Now tap Load Unpacked. Select the folder containing the TechPP Luma Reader extension. Once that is done, the extension will be added to your browser. Now let's see how to use it on your desktop. First, pin the extension for quick access. Tap the extensions icon in the top toolbar. Find the TechPP Luma Reader extension and tap the pin icon next to it. Now open any website and go to the article you want to read. Tap the Luma Reader extension icon. The article will now open inside the reader view. You can scroll through the page and read the article without unnecessary distractions. The extension also provides several useful customization options. You can increase the font size to make the text more comfortable to read. You can also tap the theme icon to switch between light mode and dark mode. You can adjust the dark mode settings based on your preference or switch back to light mode whenever you want. The extension also allows you to highlight and save important text. Simply select the text you want to save and tap Highlight. To see all the text you have saved, tap the highlight icon. When you finish reading, tap the close button to exit the reader view. Now let's look at how to install and use the extension on a mobile device. For this method, we will use the Kiwi Browser. Open Kiwi Browser on your phone. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Tap Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. Scroll down and enable developer mode. Once developer mode is enabled, tap the plus option that says from zip, CRX or user script. Now select the TechPP Luma Reader extension file that you recently downloaded. The extension will now be added to Kiwi Browser. To use the extension, open any web page or article. Tap the three-dot menu again. Select Extensions. Now tap the TechPP Luma Reader extension to activate it. The web page will open inside the reader view. To adjust the text, tap once on the screen and use the available options to change the font and font size. You can also switch between light and dark modes from the appearance settings. To save important text, press and hold the text and tap Highlight. To view everything you have highlighted, tap the highlight icon. That's it. This is how you can install and use the TechPP Luma Reader extension on both desktop and mobile. You can use it to remove distractions from web pages, customize the reading experience, and save important highlights while reading. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.